Good morning! Happy Saturday again! So I clean this and I throw this. You need to take out every week this one you need to check this one. So if you're not check, they are stuck up all the bread here. You need to throw something and put again. So I put this one. How are you today? Make shiny. Because if you're not cleaning, always have if you're not maintain, a lot of damage. It's coming broken and it's ugly. So you need to clean. Look like this. This is the jeep. And later is put a vinegar to make shiny. I don't know where is the fabric. This one. So a bit hot water. Mix hot water. Put like this. And put something dry cloth and later vinegar. See, shiny. More shiny if you put the vinegar later. Don't make lazy, and all the woman, especially if you have family and you have marriage, you have an obligation that house. Also, I clean this. To make shiny again.
Well, Hackrock is one of Australia's favourite things, but one of your favourite things, Amanda, a beautiful heel.
And I show to you how to clean this.
Well, imagine heels.
This one have something like this. So you need to make a toothpick. You see? Toothpick. You're out there. How you make beautiful and how to make beautiful cleaning. So that one. So did you see? You see the difference? You see? Cleaning very well. So I show to you this, how to clean the sink. It's different, the sinks not all the same, especially. But the Philippines in our house is the same. So I cleaning also like this. So you see the problem. A lot of something stuck up there. No, sometimes not all the people they know how to clean like this. So make like this. That's one. Because I have experience working any country, especially in Cyprus. That is the part of that is Greek. It's near in the Greece. So this one. So all over the side like this. Clean like that. How to make beautiful. All the side. You see the difference. If you're not cleaning all the time, they are stuck up like a chalk. So like that. Using only the toothpick is okay. You see that? Now I out that. So I cleaning the jeep. I put a bit that blitz to make clean the sink. The part of sink. This is the part of sink. It's very nice, and good feeling if your house is very clean. This is the best idea. Or not all the women they know this, how to clean properly. Because my boss in Cyprus is a very my God, it's very clean woman. They always check everything. If you are mistake something, you need to do that again, not only once. At least you know everything. This is a good experience also. So this one, cleaning. So now that is the toothpick, so I throw now. Very simple. You're using only the toothpick to how to clean the sink. Not only the front, also inside the sink. Like this, the one I showed to you, this one. So later we cook caldereta. We have something, a visitor later. So need to clean the house, and later I make ironing everything, the part of the house. That's my job. No pay. That's job. It's free. And this one, clean also. Cleaning also like this. That one. So later I put that shiny, put the vinegar, and I will dry. Need to something vinegar is the best all the time when you're cleaning and the clothes. Not all the Philippines people, they know that vinegar is very good for the wash on your clothes, especially the clothes very sensitive. This vinegar. See? Very shiny. So it's very easy to clean if you know. It's not easy if you don't know. That's why I show to you. Maybe When you're watching it, you don't know that, so you have an idea. Not all, no, they know. That's why I teach you how to clean properly. Vinegar. I put the vinegar here. It's not dip this. This is vinegar. Now it's very shiny. You see the side is clean now. Clean, clean. It's very shiny. So that one is shiny also. So hopefully you like it, and see you again. Take care. And especially the virus, because the virus, a lot of kind of virus for the people make yak yak yak, virus for that something the sick, virus in the house, everywhere. That's why I need to careful and uh, always eating the vegetable. Love you, bye bye all. Happy Sunday and happy blessed Sunday. See you.